Hi everyone, this is Rahat from ShopiDevs. Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create collections on Shopify store. First, from your Shopify dashboard, go to Products and then click on Collections. Here you can see the collection page is empty because I don't have any collection yet. Let's create a new collection. Click on Create Collection. Here I have to put a title first. Let's type jersey. And here in description, you can add information regarding the collection here, but I'm going to keep it empty. And then the collection image. You can add any image you want for your collection. That's simple. Just click on add image and then choose the image you want to use and then click on open. And here the collection type, here you will find the manual and automated collection type. And I will show you both of them, but first I will start with automated. In automated collection, you need to create conditions, and based on the conditions, your existing and future products will be added to this specific collection. So here you can see under the conditions, you need to choose one, all conditions or any condition. If you have only one condition, then it doesn't matter which one you are marking. But if you have multiple conditions, then you need to choose wisely. Let me explain how it works. So suppose you have three conditions, and if you mark this any condition, so that means from your three condition, if one of them is fulfilled, then the product will be added automatically under the collections. But when you click on all conditions and you have three conditions, so all of the three conditions must be fulfilled so that the product will be added under the collections. And then you have to create the condition based on these variables. As you can see, product title, product type, vendor, price, tag, and so on. Here you will find some others, and you have to create condition using this. So for this tutorial, I will use product tag is equal to jersey. So that means if the product has tag jersey, the product will automatically add to the collection. And if I want to add more conditions, then I have to click on this, add another condition. The same way you have to create a new condition here, but for this video, I'm going to use one condition just, and you can just delete the condition very easily. Click on the icon and click on save. Yeah, we have successfully created a new collection. And if I scroll down, yeah, the products are automatically added to this collection because these three products have the product tag jersey. That's why they are added here automatically. So let's go back and see. Now in collection page, we have a collection. So let me show you how to add a collection manually. So click on create collection, put a title, and I'm going to keep the description empty as well. And I'm going to add an image so you can see the difference. Here from collection type, I will click on manual, and I have nothing else to select. Just click on save. Yeah, you can see the collection is created, and now I have to add products manually one by one. So click on browse, or you can search here. So click on browse, and from there I can pick anyone I want to show under these collections. So let's add this one, this one, this, and this. Okay, click. So as you can see, I have added 4 products under the collection manually, and just go back, and I have 2 collections here. One is created automatically and another is manually. So now you have seen that how you can create collection on Shopify automatically or manually. Now I will show you how you can display the collection on your homepage. So click on online store, then theme, click on customize, and here you have to go to the featured collection. Click here and go to here and select collection. You have to select one collection, so click on here, and we have 2, so let's select this one, casual t-shirt, and you can see it's automatically displayed on your home page. You can also rearrange the number of product per row. As we have 4 products, increase it, and you can also increase or decrease the row number of rows. You can also show product banners name here. So thus you can show a collection to your Shopify homepage. Click on save. If you want to show another new collection on your homepage, you have to add section here. Click on add section, click on featured collection. As you can see, we have a new. You can drag and drop to anywhere you want. So I'm putting it under the previous featured collection, and I will add my second collection here, that is jersey, and I'll keep it 3 row, 3 products per row, and I will click save. Now you can see we have added 2 collections on our Shopify homepage. So thus you can create collections on Shopify and display your collections on the page you want. All right, this all for today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, keep watching our videos to learn more about Shopify.